Hello, good afternoon, students. Let's have a recap on your Zoom class. The topic is related to Windows Explorer. Some topics were left. The name of the topic is work with multiple applications. Work with multiple applications means when you work with multiple apps in your computer system is referred to as work with multiple applications. Likewise, WhatsApp and Facebook, if you want to work WhatsApp and Facebook together, then you will have to join those applications and then you can work with them easily. And like those applications are joined at that time, you can work very easily. You can just switch between those apps one by one. So here I will take example of MS Excel and MS Word. I want to work on both the applications, that is MS Word and MS Excel. So I will join these two apps. Steps to work with multiple applications is you have to open the two applications. First of all you have to open MS Word, then you have to open MS Excel. Now these both applications are opened. Afterwards you have to right click anywhere on the blank space of the taskbar. This is your taskbar bachche, this blue button. This blue line is your taskbar. You have to right click of your mouse button here and this drop down menu will appear, and from here you have to select show windows side by side option, and if you click on this option, both the applications will join in this way. Now it is very easy for you to work on MS Word and MS Excel easily. You can type here also and you can type with your keyboard here also. You can work with both applications at one time. Now here the second topic is searching files and folders. Searching files and folders means that you have a file hidden in your computer system and you want to search it. And for this you have to follow these following steps. First of all, you have to go to start button. Here this window will be displayed. Here in the search box you will write the file name you want to search. For example, you have a file named abc.abc. You want to search it. So you will write the name of the file abc here, and that abc file displayed in this form. The files named with abc will be displayed here, and the file you want to work on with, that is abc file, you can easily get it from here. So this is all about searching files and folders. Next topic is understanding different files and formats. Students, we have different files saved in our computer system. Your MS Word file is saved with the extension .docx. MS Excel file is saved with the extension .xls. The extension name for image file can be .jpg, .gif, .png, .bmp, etc. ठीक है. And next, your PowerPoint file, that is your PPT file, can be saved with the extension name .pptx, and your audio file can be saved with the extension mp3 .wave or wave, etc. And your video file can be saved with the extension name. It has extension name .mp4 or .avi, or it can be any other also. Then if you want a PDF file, if you want to open a PDF file, you must have Adobe Acrobat document, Adobe Acrobat reader in your computer or in your phones. Then the extension for that file is, the name of the extension is .pdf. This is all about the different file formats. Now next is about creating shortcuts. If you have any file saved in any other folder, you want to copy or you want to create a shortcut of that file or folder in another folder, in another local disk, then what you have to do? You just have to go to that file and just right click on that file. The drop down menu will appear. Then here you have to select send to option. Afterwards you have to, this drop down menu will appear. Afterwards you have to select desktop from here, and in the bracket there is also given create shortcut option, and if you click on this option, your shortcut will be displayed on the desktop by itself. For example, your file is in the document section, then you have to go to documents, and then here is a file names quotations. You want to create a shortcut for this. You have to right click of the mouse button here. This drop down menu will appear. Then simply click on send to option. After that, simply click on desktop create shortcut option. Your shortcut will be created. And if you want to delete those shortcuts, simply click on delete key. Simply go to the file you want to delete. For example, you want to delete this hyperlink file from here. You will have to right click on this and select delete option from here. The computer will ask you that if you want to delete, whether you want to delete or not. You will click yes option from there. The file will be deleted and it will go to recycle bin by its own. Okay, this is all about deleting shortcuts. Okay, thank you.